Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will learn about lead and case. So please be available from start to end of this tutorial. Let's start. Firstly, what is meant by lead? Lead is a person or organization or business who just show interest in your organization products or services. Lead is also called as prospect or potential customers. By conducting the campaigns, we can capture one or more leads. Once the lead person is ready to buy the product, Salesforce will generate the three records. First record is account records, another is contact record, and last one is the opportunity record. Account records contain basic details of customers. For example, customer's name, rating, industry, type, phone, email, billing address, etc. After that, contact record contain contact details of customers. For example, first name, last name, title, department, birth date, phone, fax, home phone, email, and address. And last one is the opportunity record. It describes about the product purchased by the customers and revenue generated from the customers. Open your Salesforce account. After that, go to setup. After that, click here app launcher and search here leads. After that, click here new and fill all the details here. I'm right first name Saurabh Patil, company is Pharma. After that, I'm right phone number and after that click save. Lead is successfully created. In this way, we can create number of leads. After that, another is case. What is meant by case? Case is a detailed information of problem which is facing by customer with your product or services. Between account and case, we have one to many association. That is, customer can raise one or more cases or complaints. And solution is the resolution of the case. Open your Salesforce account. Go to setup. After that, click on app launcher and search here cases. Click here new and fill all the details, and after that click here save button. After that, case is successfully created. In this way, we can create case in Salesforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.